The Miami-Dade Animal Abuser Registry gives the user several options to filter through the criminal base and quickly find the records wanted. These options are name, date of birth, address, and case ID. When searching by name, the input string will match any part of the first and or last name. For example, Jose will match the name Jose, but also the substring Jose in the last name Joseph. Filtering by date of birth will match any substring in the date. A recommended input format is shown to the user, but it's not required. Filtering by address or case ID works similarly to filtering by name, where the address or case ID are strings. Any input by the user will try to be matched to those strings. Notice that filtering will modify the pagination according to how many records were found.